Hello guys, welcome to the programming where the main goal of this video is p5.js. What is p5.js? What we use it for? Before going inside p5.js, I want to introduce you something called processing. What is processing? Actually, processing was created by Casey Rias and Ben Fry. Let me write their name here. Casey Rias. Okay, this is everything. Then Ben Fry. Ben Fry. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Then um, let me tell you the definition of processing. Processing is a free graphical library and integrated development environment built for electronic art and media art. Okay, art in the sense not like drawing everything. It is like programming. Okay, what is programming? Programming is a set of instructions that are given to computer to give some output. Before 2001, programming was just simple thing. But by 2001, programming changed to a complex thing of a life. For example, um, before that everything was easy to do, but nowadays programming is not only for main people, it's even for child, everyone. Okay, yeah. If we had interest in program, then we want to learn one part of programming per day. In one day, you will be learning whole of programming, not whole. If you want to learn one part of programming, you would be learning 5 parts of programming. Everything like for one day Java, and then another day JavaScript, means today Java and today only JavaScript. So it will be very interesting to learn programming. Okay, yeah. Let me draw a box over here. Whatever you program, it will be visible in something called browsers. Okay, 1 minute. Browsers. Okay, in the form of something called web. You will be hearing like somebody telling web browsers, right? So web browsers means this only, like when we program, it will be visible to others in the form of web. For example, let me tell google.com, etc. So whatever ends like in com, co, organization, india.co.uk, so these are all web. Okay, yeah. You would be asking, how is this processing part is created? Okay, processing is created by something called Java. So Java is programming language which was used by most of the people before 2001. Okay, after 2001 we use JavaScript, which is main programming. Let us talk about Java now. Okay, yeah. From Java we create something called applets. Okay, what is applets? For explaining this, applets are something that is visible in a web browser which is programmed by Java. Okay, let me type it here. Applets are Java programs that are visible in browsers. Okay. Where it is gone. Okay. Java programs that are visible in browsers are known as applets. Okay, yeah. Then let us come to p5.js. From p5.js I went somewhere, right? So let us come to this main part of p5.js. Okay, p5.js. p5.js was created by someone called, okay, 1 minute, someone called 18, yeah, can you see it? Yeah, Lauren McCarthy. Okay, p5.js was created by Lauren McCarthy. Okay, so Java was very easy. So in politics, they told that Java should be changed to JavaScript, and JavaScript was nowadays JavaScript, without JavaScript there is nothing. Okay, so JavaScript is a very essential today. Nowadays JavaScript is mostly used. Okay, it replaced Java. Most of them use JavaScript in the form like the form called p5.js JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript can be connected with HTML, CSS, .NET, SQL, or something. Okay, yeah. Now come to p5.js. p5.js is a eco-friendly and user-friendly platform to learn JavaScript. Okay. That's it for today, guys. I think you would be learning more about p5.js in the next videos, but now you learn the basic of p5.js and how it is created. It is created from processing and where processing is created. So Java, and from Java processing, p5.js, JavaScript. So this is the cycle. I think you learned about p5.js. Let us continue it in the next videos. Till then, meet you in the next video. Bye.